Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to add watermark on Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in Google Docs. Now I want to add watermark on this text. Now to add watermark, all you need to do is first of all go to this insert and over here you'll find this watermark. Click on this and you'll find this interface on the right. Now you can add watermark in two ways, as an image and as a text. Now I'll go with image for now. You can go with text as well. Now to add image as watermark, first of all I'll go to this select image and over here you can find different ways to add image. Now I'll go with this Google image for demo and search for one image of Google and I'll select this first one and insert. Over here you can see I have inserted this image of Google and also on the left it is already visible as watermark. Now here are a few settings over here. We can scale this image from here to 150, 200, 500 to any one over here. You can see I have done 150 and it's clipping. Now I'll let it be 200%. Okay, you can see here it is. Also, you can find option of faded. If you click on this, the image won't be faded. If you click on faded, you can see watermark is faded over here. Also, here is more image option. You can just play around it and find your best watermark as possible. In this way, we can insert watermark in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, have a good time.